Ilitum Karbi atum non kachelar ya porlo. Chelar vek nang po, chelaron pete kivirlo. Nang lini libang pinireng lo, penapiabe po sa isu tumangke kisung pologi. Ako, la swadai ke itum si chenang kogi. Nasi social media long ponoy lahai long lang bang atum nang kiputot he juno pik. La so putak sini la so video semar lo. La son komen nang ki pi bang do pik. Itum aphan hede. Sa itum ang chaklu na son. Sa itum Karbi hejan arleng hejan e chahayojit. Mentuni ben si case piat po. La aleng ki the chikrong na mentuni ben si ili Karbi tu ne case piat po jail thap et po. Abatai do ulo jail ke thap ta. Tala son komen ki pitum han ke lang ding nang ne mapak ta. Cherap chetu se di thap nang po bel palong ne set as klem ni la son ne la si la so video la tha alang li la ronik tas bo komen nai pi itum Karbi akhai pan. A person named Ronik Das made a bold claim based on Karbi tribes. So he made some baseless remarks. So I would like to disclose and read out the comment. Okay. And he have written very nicely and the grammars are very good. So here goes the comment. Who gave you all the Who gave you all authority? Yeah. Who gave you all authority to implement sixth schedule? Yeah. Did you all ask permission? We are not interested to be a part of Karbi. We won't merge with Golaghat. Immediate abolition of sixth schedule should be done, otherwise this time we will pick up arms. So he gonna pick the arms and maybe he intended to make some violence, make a rebels group. So picking up arms means a very serious matter, so I'm afraid of it. So Ronik Das. And enough is enough. Karbi people are original descendants of Bangladeshi. So who is the Bangladeshis here? For these remarks, for his bold claims, he can get arrested under IPC 121, Section 124A, sedition, and Section 153B. So I think he will soon get arrested. So he have got a very good comment.